Hello everyone, my name is Clemens Kiria, a CEO of Beyond Classes. The aim of these classes is to assist all university students across Tanzania based on economics and statistics. This will be visible online where they will visit via YouTube channel. My YouTube channel, Clemens Career, is my YouTube channel, and as a platform like Google Meeting and WhatsApp. I will send a link that will be a general meeting to all students where all notifications and updates will be available. But today I would like to share with you a few concepts basing on a topic called differential equation. Differential equation. Before that, in order to understand well a differential equation, you must be aware with the certain topics like trigonometric, integration, differentiations, algebra, and other related topics that will be useful, and all that I will share with you. So, what is differential equation? In simple way, a differential equation is an equation that involves an unknown function like y, one or more of its derivative, dy dx, dy square over dx square. That is all about the differential equation. So, in mathematics, we have variables. Here we'll deal with variable x and y, where y is called dependent variable and the x is called the independent variable. So, let's now look at a mathematical expression. So I say differential equation in simple way, DE is an equation that involves an unknown function like y. This is common one. And one or more of its derivative, meaning that dy dx dy square y over dx square. The representation of the differential equation. There are more different ways to represent a differential equation. Can be written as dy dx or y. Okay, there are a few concepts that I will share with you. We will look about order of differential equation, degree of differential equation, power of differential equation, ODE and PDE, meaning that it is order differential equation and the partial differential equation, ordinary differential equation and the partial differential equation. Now, let's complete about this. ODE meaning that it contains with derivative with respect to only one independent variable. It contains only one independent variable. I say that this is dependent variable and this x is independent variable. In ODE, it contains derivative with respect to only independent variable, meaning that dy over dx plus y to x. This is an equation of differential equation, by meaning that only one derivative with respect to x, only x is independent variable. Let's see about the partial differential equation. If you are aware about differentiation, we say partial differential equation, it contains a partial derivative with respect to two or more independent variables, where there is only one dependent variable, meaning that it's y. We tend to use y. Other people, they use other letters like z. Let's use y in order to understand. Partial derivative of y with respect to x plus partial derivative of y with respect to, let's say, z equals to 0. This is partial differential equation. Now, let's look about order of differential equation. The order of differential equation, differential equation is the highest order derivative presented in equation. Is the highest order derivative in the equation. Let's look at an equation. Example 1, dy dx plus y is equal to 0. Here, dy dx, we look on derivative, highest derivative, meaning that order equals to 1. Let's look about second example. Dy square over dx square plus dy dx plus y equals to 0. This is the highest. This is the highest. So we may say that order equal to 2. This is quite different when we say degree of differential equation. Here we look about the power. The degree of differential equation, we look about the power of the highest order derivative. Degree of differential equation, we look about the power of the highest order derivative. In previous example, we see that dy square over dx square is the highest order. Now, the power means it have a power of 1. This is a degree of differential equation. Let's look at an example. Dy dx square plus y equal to 0. The highest order here is 1, but we look about the power, it is square. Now we may say that this is a degree of 2 in a differential equation. We now look about linear and nonlinear. This will look on the dependent variable and its derivative appear only one on the first power. They are not multiplied together. Here we'll see on the next session. Let's end here.